Shift focus from Delhi to down south in Bengaluru because that is all set to host Asia's biggest aerospace extravaganza, the Aero India 2025. In fact, it has just started and is underway as we speak. The 5-day spectacle promises to be a thrilling showcase of the latest advancements in aerospace technology, and this is for the first time in history that Aero India 2025 will witness the participation of two of the world's most advanced 5th-generation fighter aircraft, the Russian Sukhoi 57 and the US F-35. Times Network's Neha has more updates from the ground. Neha, take it away.
For many of us in Bengaluru, coming to watch the Aero Show, was a whole visual spectacle by itself. And it sure seems like, this year too, of course, is not going to be anything short of a visual spectacle. At least about 15 countries that are, in fact, associated, that are going to be taking part in the Aero India Show. And understandably so, of course, this is something that's much bigger than what meets the eye. Now, of course, for aviation enthusiasts who are coming down, there's going to be a lot more to expect for, in the form of the seminars and in the form of, the entire, of course, show itself. Now, apart from that, also understandably so, it is, going to be a spectacle. It's going to be a visual delight of the Surya Kirans putting up, their aerobatic show as well. There's going to be a lot lined up over the span of the next 5 days. Understandably so, of course, for our viewers who aren't from Bengaluru and who are probably planning to come down to watch the Aero Show, a couple of things that they should keep in mind is, given the fact that there are going to be a lot of traffic diversions as well along the way. There's a host of arrangements also that, the government on its part too has done. And bigger, better is what the Defence Minister says. But of course, we'll really have to wait and see how it pans out. A couple of misses also in the Aero Show this time around, being a few displays because of several of the aircraft that are grounded owing to various other reasons as well. Something that, of course, probably the Defence Ministry also would have to relook at. But on the whole, it sure seems like it is going to be a colourful 5 days for the skies of Bengaluru.